In this short video, I will answer a common question. What is the default root password in Ubuntu? When you install Ubuntu, the root account is locked by default. This means there is no password set for root. You cannot log in as root using the su command. Instead, Ubuntu gives you something called sudoaccess. The first user you create during installation can use sudo. That user can run administrative commands without using a root password. Let me show you. First, open your terminal. Now type the following command, sudo whoami. Then press enter. It will ask for your own password. Type it and press enter. If it says root, that means your user has sudo access. This is how Ubuntu handles system permissions by default. Now let's try logging in as root. Type this command, su- then press enter. Now it asks for the root password, but since root is locked, it shows an error. You see the message, authentication failure. If you want, you can set a password for the root user. To do that, type this command, sudo pass wd root. Now enter your own password. Then type a new password for the root account. Press enter and confirm it again. Now the root user is active and you can use su- command with the password you just set. But it is not recommended unless you know what you are doing. To sum up, Ubuntu does not have a default root password. Instead, it uses sudo. This is safer and easier for most users. Thank you for watching.